In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save posts as drafts on Reddit. This is a really simple but useful feature, especially if you like to take your time writing posts, or if you often get interrupted and don't want to lose what you've written. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start a post, save it as a draft, and come back to it whenever you're ready to finish and publish. First, open Reddit on your browser or in the app, and make sure you're logged into your account. You need to be signed in because drafts are saved to your profile. Once you're logged in, look for the button or area that says Create. This is usually what you use to start a new post. Go ahead and click on Create. When you do that, Reddit will open the post editor. Here, you can choose the community you want to post in, add a title, and write the main content of your post. Take your time typing in your post. You can write as much as you like, adjust the formatting, and make any edits you need. If you're not sure about the final wording yet, don't worry. You're going to save this as a draft, so it doesn't have to be perfect right now. As you're typing, keep an eye on the options beneath the main text box. Down below, you'll see a button labeled Save as Draft. This is the key feature we're using. Instead of clicking Post or closing the editor, click on Save as Draft. When you click that, Reddit will store your unfinished post in your draft section. This means you can safely close the page or app without losing anything you've written. Later on, when you're ready to continue, you can go back to your drafts from your profile or the posting area, open the saved post, make more changes, and finally publish it when it's ready. Using drafts is especially helpful if you're writing a long post, collecting links or images, or just want to review your wording before sharing it publicly. It also protects you from accidentally losing your work due to a bad connection or an app crash. So to recap in a simple flow, click on Create, type in your post and then click on Save as Draft below. That's all there is to it.